Today, we will discuss Netlify, Vercel, and Heroku. Simple connectivity with Git repositories such as GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket is provided by all three systems. Code pushed to a repository initiates a build and redeployment process, enabling automated deployments. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Netlify focuses on serverless functions including hosting static websites. The Jamstack, JavaScript, APIs, and markup architecture is heavily emphasized, excellent for work that is centered on the front end. Vercel is specifically tailored for Next.js and other front-end frameworks with an emphasis on edge computing and serverless functions designed to deploy contemporary web apps quickly and effectively. Edge network delivery is used by serverless. Heroku is a platform as a service PaaS that makes web application deployment and management easier. Robust support for a large number of frameworks and programming languages, ideal for conventional web apps with intricate backends. All in all of them provide intuitive online interfaces that make any tasks possible without requiring a high level of command line proficiency. This facilitates the deployment of applications and server management.